Today we're going to reveal the Rapid Set Mortar mixed countertops that we've made for my daughter's house. And we're going to start with this one right here. Not only that, but if you watched the video installing base cabinets, you would have seen this kitchen all tore apart. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it and see, because she did an amazing design job in this kitchen. And Brett did some really nice work putting it together. Hi everybody, I'm Jim Deerdorf and this is Detroit DIY. Let's take a look. This would be the smallest of the countertops that we did right here. It turned out amazing. A couple of very, very small air bubbles, but nothing to be worried about at all. So this is the only one that I did not show on film. And then this is the one with the sink. This one we did show on film. This one did have some air bubbles that have been patched, which it gives, to me, it gives it more texture, it gives it more character, and it looks really nice. Still have to get the sink in. And this is the other side of the countertop, and there were a few air bubbles in here that got patched. Has nice character. The open shelving on the wall, very contemporary. My daughter has some really, really good ideas for this kitchen, and I think it turned out amazing. And the same thing here. Brett built a hood for over the range. Looks really nice. Everything's just come together really nice. And this is the other countertop, the large one that comes through the wall. This was a very heavy countertop, probably the heaviest that you would want to use for a two-man carry. Actually, it was Brett, myself, and my daughter that carried it in, and it was a handful, but they turned out really nice. I really like the look of them. I really like the look of the whole kitchen. Some nice track lighting, the open shelves, the hood range. This turned out really nice. This is my daughter Mary, and this is her house, and we're going to talk to her briefly about the countertops because she helped me pour this one. And I just wanted to touch base with her on her experience with me in helping to pour that countertop. So my question, Mary, is do you think that anyone could make these countertops?
Yes, I think they can. I think it'd be a lot easier though if they watched your videos.
My videos are pretty good. They go into great detail on how to do these countertops. I was really glad to have her help me do this one so that she could see exactly what went into it and how much work it was. She also helped us carry this big one in. It might have been a real struggle with just Brett and I to carry it in standing straight up because of all that weight in one hand each. And she was a big help there.
Those were heavy.
They were heavy. So anyway, guys, for you know, how much? $3,000?
Yeah, just under 3,000.
Just under $3,000. This whole kitchen has been redone. That's including drywall. This kitchen got stripped out. So that's new sink. That's appliances. That's everything. So it doesn't cost that much money. Watch some of these videos, learn how to do it, and you can do it yourself. So this hood range, guys, this is something that Brett built. This was not purchased anywhere. This was completely and entirely built by the hands of Brett, and he did an extraordinary job putting this together, and I just think that it looks incredible. Just some nice detail and some nice handiwork. We also took a little tour during the video of installing the cabinets where I showed the bathroom. The bathroom is completely finished. Maybe a couple little touch-up things to do. Oh, look at there. The light, very nice. Sink, very contemporary. Everything's very contemporary. Looks really nice. And this was a superb idea that my daughter had that I think is just amazing. I think that looks really nice, very contemporary, and just turned out great. So that was just a small tour of everything that's been done in this house. There's been a lot of work done here. Almost every room something's been touched, whether it be flooring, tile, complete tear out and redo, all the way into the basement, the completion of the second bathroom in the basement. Just a lot of work. Brett and Mary have been working very hard to get this house done, and it shows. It looks really nice. The other thing I just wanted to touch on real quick is that Brett does not have a ton of home remodeling experience, and he watches YouTube, he gets his answers, he calls me, asks me questions. He's not afraid to dive in. And that's basically what you have to be to get to do this stuff in your homes, is you have to be willing to dive in, do the work, find the answers, and ask the people that know, or find it on YouTube and figure out how to do it and to do it correctly. And you too can wind up with something that looks a lot like this. It's been a pleasure for me to work with Brett here, show him a lot of stuff, work with my daughter Mary, show her a lot of stuff, and it's just priceless. I love everything that's taken place, and it makes me feel good. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. If you enjoyed yourself, click on one of these two videos that are going to pop up right here. And I'd like to give a special thanks to Tony Iaconelli and Brett Wimmer, because none of this could happen without them.